It's time for my monthly bath. Just kidding. Anybody want to bob for apples in that?
The plan was simple enough as I started. It was late Friday afternoon. I thought I'd dig a trench, fill that trench with fire, but as soon as I started to inlay the bricks for where the feet of the tub would go, I realized that the heat and the dried out earth would mean that the tub would sink and the whole mess would fall apart. So I took the chimney bricks that came from my middle chimney I tore down a couple months ago, and I lined the whole thing, which actually went really quickly since I didn't mortar it or anything. A little bit of real life Jenga and a bit of hammering, and had my Redneck Hot Tub ready to go in place. And to create some ambiance and a little bit of privacy from the neighbors walking or driving by, I bought some of these little bamboo garden fences off of Amazon.
Turned out really well. It took me very little time to build it, and then I caught some lobsters yesterday, and so we're gonna take those lobsters and cook them in the hot tub. Then I'm gonna hop in and tub up and eat some lobsters like a rich man in my Redneck Hot Tub. It's my favorite way to start a fire at home instead of all bushcrafty and fire starters and stuff. Waxed cardboard from the produce at the grocery store. And stuff is great to keep around. If you go up behind your grocery store and they have some of this, take it home if you're keep a fireplace at home. Temperature's dropping and I want to get my lobsters cooked and get in my hot tub, enjoy my evening. Well, that's dangerous. It's like lighting the firewood that I set next to the tub on fire. All right, we got the lobsters. I need some way to put the butter in there, like a little butter boat. Oh, isn't that a work of art? Look at that. Nice hunk of butter. I figured I could float the butter boat. Oh yeah. There we go. We'll toss those taters in because they're gonna take a little bit longer. There's 6 or 7 of them in there. So while I'm waiting for that to come to a boil, I put my lobsters to sleep so they don't crawl off on me. This is lobster yoga. I see a boil. We got a boil. All right, we're gonna put them in head first so that that boiling water kills them straight off. They go down quick. All right, I'm just gonna cover it with aluminum foil so it keeps a nice rolling boil better this way. I think if you were having a dinner party, this might be the way to win. You could cook a whole tub full of lobsters in no time like this. Or you could just get a lobster pot. All right, here we go. Let's check them. My mental timer is going off. Wow, that's hot. That's really, really hot. A good old yard rake will help with this. Oh, I feel like I got one. Oh, that one slipped off the rake. All right, so if you want to know when a lobster is done and you're just using your mental timer, you want to hang it like this from the antenna. Whoops, and claws and antennas pulling off very easily. Those are done. Taters and lobsters here. Oh yeah. Let's see if there's anything else in there. Oh no! Oh! Forgot about the butter. It's all in the water now. That's skincare for you. All right, now we gotta put some more water in so I can get in, and because I don't want to cook like a lobster. There we go. Got my whisk. Put it on the drill. Just put your whisk in. Oh yeah. Whoops. I want to get it on the lobsters. That should do it. We got some nice bubbles. All right. Seems good. Might be able to do this. There's still a giant piece of ice in here. I'm gonna try and stand on it. Ooh, that's better. Who would have thought this thing would get so hot? Oh, it's so warm. It's so hot. Oh, that's so nice. My feet are on the ice block and it's super hot, but at the same time, that feels so good. Oh. Oh, that might not have been a good idea. go right back in. I feel like this is a fire hazard. Don't try this at home, kids. This is a good way to lose like your face to butter accident. As I continue to do it. It's warm, it's crackling. My tea is ready. It's time to try out my lobster. I don't even know if I need a lobster cracker with these. These things are soft shell, come right apart. I'll start with the claw. Oh, I do love lobster. It's so nice having a 5-trap license and just being able to go out and catch some pogies or some herring, put them in the traps, and go out and get my own lobsters. Best part is I don't have to go anywhere when I'm done. Just wash up right here and yeehaw, hop out clean and juicy, cooked to perfection in the tub. Just right. My buns are burning. It's getting warmer, as I say. Oh, what is that? Oh, there's still a tater in here. Now that I put my hands in the tub, I can't touch the tater. I have to use, oh, look at that. The butter just gets better. The more lobsters I dip in there, those last taters that I put in here are just gonna like have this lobster butter flavor. It's just like to die for. This is the best idea I ever had. Oh, I'm gonna smell so good for my Settlers of Catan game with my friends tonight. They're gonna be so jealous. Cold air on my skin while I'm in a warm tub is just so soothing. And I will see you guys in our next adventure. Thanks for watching. Fowler out.